One of the most important things when creating a CMA is price per square foot. We know that square footage and calculating the estimated value of a property using price per square foot is one of the most accurate ways to price a listing. Sometimes you aren't quite sure if the square footage includes things like the garage or any other detached structure. However, in Matrix you do have a quick way of calculating price per square foot according to the living area. All you would need to do is simply go into a search. For this example, I'll use RE1, RE2. And as an example, I'll be using a 1,500 square foot property that has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I'll select my preferred criteria for searching for comparables. And in the square footage, I'll be sure to calculate a 20% range. I'll review my results, select my comparables, and at the bottom of the screen, you have a button that says Stats. Click on Stats, and then click on Tabular. I now have a breakdown of price per square foot for actives, closed sales, and everything calculated all at once. These quick calculations can help you determine the price per square foot and then calculate the estimated value of your subject property. Hoping that this tip has served you well, and as always, thank you for being a Miami member.